A lot of women are making millions of money by just helping small businesses automate their workflow. Right now, my YouTube comments answer themselves. So when you comment on any video, I have an automation that answers every single comment. Before I set up this automation, before I created it, I would spend at least an hour responding to comments on this channel. But I built something inside a tool called make.com, and it just runs on its own. Now, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how this tool works, how to learn it fast, and how women are turning this one skill into millions of dollars. A few months ago, like I said before, I was answering every single comment on YouTube myself. It was one of the things I had to tick every day. So I had 30 minutes to 1 hour to respond to all the message, all the YouTube comments by hand. Sometimes it used to be late in the night, other times it'll be in the morning, and this literally ate into my morning if I was doing it in the morning, and into my bedtime if I was doing it at bedtime. And then I built an automation inside make.com. And so what the automation does is it reads every new comment and it replies for me. So I don't have to do that myself again. And it took one afternoon. It took less than an hour even. And that is why today I want to show you exactly how it works. Now here's it. Make.com is a visual automation tool. It's a tool where you can use to create automations for things to run on their own without you having to prompt them. Now this tool is called make.com, and this is my make.com dashboard. With make.com, you can take any task that businesses do, or maybe your own personal tasks as well, and turn it into automations. Like I said before, if you go into my scenarios, you would see that I have this one scenario. It's called the integration YouTube with Anthropic Claude. So I have connected YouTube and Claude such that every time you comment on my page, Claude is responding for me. And Claude is responding for me because Claude knows me. All right, and so I created this automation and it's running. Now I created this for myself, but a lot of people will pay for me to create it for them. Actually, as an automation specialist, a lot of people pay me to create automations for them. Now, if you would go in here and learn how to use make.com, your life will totally change. And it's simple to learn make.com. Make themselves have videos and tutorials on how to use them. All right, but if you go into make.com, the easiest way to start making money today with make.com is to come here and go into templates. Now, one of the reasons I love make.com is that they already have templates that you can connect together. All right, so let's say you're working with YouTubers. You just go ahead and type YouTube here. All right, and make.com will show you every integration that has YouTube to do in it. So this is one that says find YouTube videos in a channel and summarize with ChatGPT and email results. And that's something you can do, right? You can go find YouTube videos in a channel. Maybe there's a channel you like that does tutorials, right? This automation goes in there and searches for the video, summarizes it with ChatGPT, and emails you the result. And so maybe you're preparing for something quick. You're creating it for students who want to prepare for exams quickly, and the summary of the tutorial lands in their inbox. You can imagine how cool that is. All right, so there are several ones that you can use. Track new YouTube videos with custom search criteria and save to Google Sheets. Monitor your YouTube comments and reply using ChatGPT. That's another one. Now, I used my own with Claude. I didn't see, there was no reply comments with Claude, and that was why I had to create mine from scratch. If not, you could use this. Optimize YouTube uploads, generate with AI generated descriptions and tags from OneDrive. So you have a YouTube channel or you're working for YouTubers. Here you can help them optimize the YouTube uploads. So all of their videos, these automation can go into the videos and optimize the description and the tags to make sure they're SEO optimized, and it uses AI for it as well. So it's an amazing tool that you can learn in one sitting. You can literally open make.com now and start working with it. Now, if you can work for moms, you can work for business owners, you can help them automate their email, right? For example, if you just go here and you type email, you can help them automate their emails. You can help them automate Gmail, all right? Can you see? Automate response to business emails with Make AI tools and Google Sheets. You can create workflows that respond to emails. You can create workflows that help them. You can create workflows that help them search the internet. You can create workflows that help them do research. You can create so many workflows, and all you have to do is charge them to make these workflows, and this saves them time. Now, I've seen a lot of women on Instagram and of course on YouTube who have made close to $1 million just by building automation organizations, and I'm well on my way as well. I recently started to build automations for people, so it is something I can tell you that I've tried and I've tested. Now, one of the keys to making money, I keep telling you on this channel, is you have to learn a skill. And even as a YouTuber, as a content creator, you can see that YouTube has recently given people a scare. If you have a skill, that is something that YouTube will never be able to take from you. That is something that no one will ever be able to take from you. So if you learn how to use automations, if you learn how to do all of these things, right? And tell people you're creating it. Tell people this is what I do. I make automations. I help small businesses automate their tasks. The sky is your starting point. Recently, I went to the mechanic workshop and I literally sold them an AI automation that helps them get customers and log that into the Google Drive, where it's like a lead generating, and I sold it to them. It is something you can also create. Learning is easy. If you can't learn, you cannot make money. So this is a tool that I wanted to bring to you guys, all right? And I hope you found it helpful. Now, if you're telling me that, Toby, I understand what you're saying, but I need someone to walk me step by step. This is exactly what we do in the Empire Academy. There we're learning new AI tools and we're learning how we can turn it into income. All right, so if that is something you would like, I invite you to join the Empire Academy. I'm going to be linking it in the description and of course in the pinned comment. But if you found this video helpful, all right, I invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have an amazing day. It's still Bridge.